we have the time. Yes, you can continue.
Okay.
Again,
there is
20
much.
minutes, Chandra.
Meku, you are there?
Yes,
I saw
yes,
you
I
there.
always
Yeah.
Is there.
I am always
Yeah.
there.
Yeah, I saw you. Yes. The other important thing is that we have to hydrate our body. We have to drink plenty of water. So many are not in habit of drinking lot of water. So please drink your water. And this is it about the graceful. So once we are healthy and very happy, on happiness, we can go ahead and talk so much. These counselors are always talking about the happiness. What is happiness? So I don't want to talk more on the happiness, but it is all mental thing. You have to have that mental approach of being happy, and that will make you very graceful. So friends, one disclaimer: after going home, don't start immediately saying your family members that I have not pursued my hobby. So from tomorrow, I will not do cooking. I will do my hobby. Please. It is a slow process. And you really think that way, just take the situation under control and see how best you can do after doing all your work, all your job which you are doing in your free time, and then discuss with your family members. This is a joke. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you so much, Chandra and Konaji. It was indeed a very wonderful session. You highlighted most of the important things which are required actually. Sometimes people, though how much ever educated, aware, whatever it is, but slightly sometimes some things get slipped away from a person's mind. And as people age, sometimes the memory also slips. So they have to be repeatedly said about a few things, but very informative and wonderful session. So audience, now we are ready to take the question and answers. Anybody would like to say something? Dr. Lalka, Mrs. Malti, would you like to talk something? Kindly unmute yourself.
I was typing. I thought I will not talk, but she is what she told was perfect. As a dietitian, as a doctor, I was also ashamed of myself. Being a doctor also, she covered all the points. 100% point. As in diet also, she included everything. In psychological, this also she told everything as a psychiatrician. Even psychiatrician also will forget one point. Even dietitian will forget one point. But she was all in
smart.
one. And we are proud of you.
Dr. Lalka, she is a practicing lawyer and you cannot debate with her.
Yes, yes, I can't argue.
So we should welcome one more lawyer on the floor. Meenal Khona is here with us.
I was
very nicely
waiting for one point.
Yeah.
Ignore.
Yes, wonderful. Malti-ben, you were saying something, you can continue.
Yeah, very nicely explained everything. Point to the point, every point is covered. Enjoyed.
Thank you. Thank you, Malti-ben. Thank you, Dr.
Thank you so
Lalka.
much. Purnima, you have something to say? Purnima? Unmute yourself.
Yeah. It's very nice to hear from you, Chandraprabha. You covered, as everybody says, you covered and you said that inner peace, inner happiness, that's what makes you like positive, thinking about positive things. That we, as a counselor, we preach, we tell, we help people to realize that. But as a lawyer, it's coming from you.
It's wonderful.
Really, we all appreciate that. Yeah. Thank you.
Friend kiski hai?
Dear, I am also mediator. So as a lawyer, we just don't fight the case. We see that two parties come together, settle the matter, and have the peace, mental peace, instead of fighting in the court.
Yes, yes.
So it's part
Ignore
of
money
your,
part. We ignore money part.
your career part also.
So Malti
Thank
Rao,
you.
you would like to say something on
Yeah.
this?
Yeah, it was Chandraprabha ma'am. Wonderful to listen to you and wonderful to see you and hear you speak. Many of the points, as you've told, are something which we do hear from people, you know, be positive, accept your situation, be grateful, count your blessings. You have mentioned many of these things, but more than that, I feel you are a living example of that. Looking at you, we can see
Yes.
that practice makes perfect. So you've been
Yes.
practicing all those things, which is, you know, it's not just that we hear and we let it go. You have been practicing that, and that's very evident from the way you speak, the way you are carrying yourself. Though we are on the screen, but we can see that. So very good. It has been nice listening to you, and you are an inspiration for all the people who are moving into, you know, +1 chronological year. That doesn't mean you are aging in any other way. It's all in the mind, as you said.
Yes, exactly.
Thank you.
Exactly.
Thank you, dear.
According to
Thank you.
Bhagavad Gita, Sthita Pragna.
Yeah. So very well said. Meenal Ben Khona, would you like to say something? Meenal
Is she
Ben,
there?
you'll have to. She's there and she needs to unmute herself.
Fine. Yeah, hello everybody. Good evening.
Hello.
Good evening, Meenal Ben.
Alpaben, you are really doing nice work, and whatever you mention always and of the subject you carry are of very useful for this today's era. We must have eternal peace. And Chandraben, I thought we know each other since long.
Yes. Yeah. Right.
Nice to see you here as well.
Thank you.
And
Thank you.
happy Senior Citizens Day to everybody.
Thank you. Thank you, Meenal Ben. Thank you,
बत्ती जी
Meenal
किसकी
Ben.
है?
ये बात है.
Thank you, Lalka ji.
She is my bhati ji and she is my friend. So both are my, I am both.
दोनों बाजू पलड़ा भारी है.
नहीं अच्छा है ना नहीं
Proud.
I'm really very glad to see all our ladies coming ahead and feeling proud. Good, keep it up.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So any more questions? Archana Mota, Sarla Momaya ji, Devyani ji, Urvashi auntie. Any questions?
No, everybody is
Hmm.
matured enough.
Devyani,
No questions.
Devyani is also Sthita Pragna. She is Devyani talk some.
Yeah, Archana Mota is speaking, I
Everybody
guess.
is matured enough.
Yeah, no questions for madam, but I felt that she is a living example of what she said. I agree totally with what Mrs. Malti had said, that Chandra Kaki is a living example. She talks softly, she is very graceful. Whatever she said, no, she's practicing. So I remember my mother saying, before you preach, you practice. I think she is 100% following it. She is practicing all the things that she has told today and then preaching. We know to preach. I, as a lecturer, will know to preach, but I think I should also learn now from her.
Practice.
First to practice and then preach. Thank you, Auntie.
Thank you.
Thank you very much
Archana.
for kind words.
Thank you, Archana. So any more questions, answers, anybody?
Archana is talking, na?
Yeah, she completed. She completed. Yeah.
I thought Panji Archana.
She's our Archana only. Urvashi Lodaya, you want to speak? I guess no. Anyway, you don't stop laughing because you grow old. You grow old because you stop laughing. This is very well said. I walk slowly, but I never walk backwards. Do not regret growing older. It's a privilege denied to many. So this is my learning counseling geriatric population of our nation. So these are the few things. We also undertake geriatric counseling as a part of Pehchan. So anytime Anybody you want us to talk about any subject, kindly let us know. We are here to reach out to the masses, especially when the world and the society is facing tough time in this pandemic because of COVID-19. Anytime anybody wants any help from our side, be it emotional or finance also, we have some contacts. We are helping people with education and other things, treatment or whatsoever the case may be. But definitely reach out to us and kindly spread the word. Yeah. Thank you one and all for being here today. Thank you all. And if
Thank you,
you
Alpa.
made any mistakes knowingly or unknowingly because of our age, we are still young. We are still long way to reach where you are. But if you made any mistake, kindly excuse us.
नहीं नहीं हम तो गा रहे हैं अभी तो मैं जवान हूँ.
Lovely, lovely.
Lovely.
I like the
Yeah,
spirit.
anybody
like the
wants to sing.
Thank you.
Yes, anybody wants to sing also is free to do so, because there
Yes,
are
that
so
would be
many
nice.
like-minded people here. So,
Yeah.
Dr. Lalka, you can start and your band is
अरे
ready.
वर्डिंग याद नहीं है, पहले बोला रहता है तो बायाट करके आते हैं.
फिर भी गा सकते हो आप, गाओ
हाँ,
गाओ.
जितना
अरे
आता है.
आवाज अच्छा नहीं है.
दो लाइन.
That
खाली
doesn't
इतना ही
matter.
याद है, अभी तो मैं जवान हूँ. बाकी तो ये है, इस दुनिया
Appropriate
में
too.
जीना है तो सुन लो मेरी बात, गम छोड़ के माना हो रंग रेली, ये कहती है कित केली, ये कहती है लालका.
Very
Nice,
good.
nice.
Acha, Alpa, before you wind up, I thank you very much. I thank you very much,
You're
Valpa,
most
for
welcome,
inviting me
most welcome, most
and
welcome.
giving opportunity to share few words.
Thank you so much. Even we are privileged to have you here with us
Okay.
today, and it's a nice way, like you have been a living example, and that's why I decided I should invite you for
Don't
this
know.
event which was coming. So
Yeah.
that was the thing, and topic also was very apt for you. So that is why we chose such a topic also, because everybody wants
Selected
to.
you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Very
Thank you,
1 minute.
Pragna and
I would want
Sannyasi.
to wish all the youngsters happy Elders Day. Youngsters.
Same to you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
Alpa,
you.
thank you.
Thank you all.
Thank you very
Sanju,
much.
Thank you. It's been our pleasure.
Bye,
Thank you.
everybody.
Thank you. Bye. Bye.
Bye, 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 bye.
Stay safe, all of you. Stay safe.
Yes, yes.
Same to you.
Thank you.